In 2010, Seamus was 6. I noticed the moon was upside down. It took me a year to gather finances to get our asses to North Carolina. I never asked for help. I need some now. We got to North Carolina, found out they were implementing the core. I wrote an angry letter to the Senate. It turned into the very first unanimous decision North Carolina has ever made against the federally implemented core curriculum. I didn't need any help with that. I do now. My friend Angel, while I was fighting for legalization in North Carolina, suggested I throw hemp in on the bill. And I did a lot of research. It ended up in the second most populous vote in North Carolina history, and they legalized hemp, forcing the federal government to legalize hemp and CBD. I needed no help. I do now. When I turned in my report in 2014 to Senator Davis about the polar vortex tilting our axis, making the moon spin, I was confirmed and told a plan that I have laid out in detail to you at the risk of great fucking serious personal injury, harm, retribution, and fucking everything you can imagine over the years. The people coming at me and Derek Bros and the minions that he's sent after me, all this time, I've never asked for help. I ran from the fucking senator to Texas, leaving everything Seamus and I owned behind. While in hiding in Texas, I legalized for little kids to use THC for their epileptic issues. It passed. I asked again, nobody for help. And I moved here to to Colorado and started telling you what I know is coming. They have tried to kill me. I didn't ask for help. I got myself a new car. Didn't ask for help. Shouldn't have to, right? After living here for 6 years, a lot of you have watched me over the last 4 years be absolutely tormented in every aspect of life. My license has been suspended at least 8 times since I've been here for no reason at all. Every time I get my license suspended, it takes hours and hours on the phone to get it reinstated, running around proving I haven't done any damn thing. My electric's been cut off how many dozen times for no reason. Finally, the municipality decided, oh, well, we need to double check that next time. It's been okay. They decided somebody from the outside of their municipality was messing with my electric. Guess who? I've been beat down to the point I need help. Because when I deciphered this hieroglyph, the shit really started to roll. This is a long end and short end, cross-hatched, magnetosphere. It was easy because I had the short end and long end of a magnetosphere V-neck. I was like, gee, I've seen that before. I'd seen this before, and that before. So I pretty much knew what we were dealing with here. A sun and a planet, like we used to write them. Discovered 1748 hertz, getting goosebumps. gives you stem cells. Discovered an awful lot of things. In the meantime, manipulation of electromagnetic spectrum via field projected from human hands. Been working on it since '04, a little longer than I have. Uh, I found the findings were released July of this year, just a month and a half ago. Been moving water and taking pain from people, not having the scientific backup. Now we got the scientific backup. We got the muon at the center of every atom and omnipresence at 1748 hertz. Done an awful lot of work and research. And we decided, okay, well, we need to take this to the people. Everybody was cheering, yay, yay, yay. So I put up a little GoFundMe page and asked for help. So far, we've got 15 people to help. Most of the donations came from 2 people, which is very appreciated. Anything is appreciated. But I've been told by 15 people a week, I want to help. I want to donate. I haven't allowed you to donate for 6 years. Now I'm asking you to. And we're stuck in the water. I'm going to be homeless Wednesday with Pollyanna, my son, and 3 dogs. Got a real nice bike I had for sale. We had planned on fucking selling that thing. Had it sold. Found the title was fucked up. Now I get the title back tomorrow, the day before we're supposed to leave. We don't have anywhere to go. I've got 2 tents. People asking me about updates and lives. I don't know if we're going to be alive very much longer. Are you kidding me? I'm moving into a tent. I think I was talked into this too soon because it doesn't look like I'm getting as much help as I thought there might be out there for this purpose. I'm not doing this for me. If I was doing anything for me, I'd still be living in this fucking home and paying $500 a month for a fucking really nice place. But I'm giving it up because I was told I'd have help and I'm not getting it. Everything I had planned fell through. I got the bike. It's fixed. It's running. And I can sell it after tomorrow. Maybe. If I can find someone to buy it. It's coming up on winter. Am I going to be camping out in the mountains with Polly all winter? I don't know. I would certainly appreciate it if you ever wanted to help donate, to please help. I've got a link here. Or you could go to Pollyanna's Facebook page, open her messenger, and send or request money if you don't like GoFundMe. I've had a couple people ask, do you have any other means? And that would be it. We don't have an address to send it to. We're losing the address Wednesday afternoon. That choice was made 2 months ago. Started asking for help, and we had the live that was supposed to be the GoFundMe live, and we made $70. I deeply appreciate it, but that's not going to help us much as we're getting homeless. I would hope if you wanted to help me at any point in time, that now would be the right time. Thank you very much. Again, the link I have is on my About tab right here. Takes you right to the GoFundMe. We're going to be here whether we like it or not. for at least the next 2 weeks, I guess. Got to sell the bike, putting tires on it and the tag in the morning so I can drive it to Denver and back and forth from the campsite to a shop where we're going to be working at rigs. I was really hoping to have us an RV by now. But they only cost about $4,000. I was looking to sell the bike for 5. Anybody in Colorado know anybody in Colorado that want a motherfucking 1100 Shadow that's brand fucking new? Please get them in touch with me. I'd really like to sell that thing. I get the title back tomorrow. All right. If you can't help, you can't help. But if you can, good God, I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much.